Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Bardon Model School. Student, in the previous video, I have solved question number 4 of exercise 10.4, 10.5. In this video, I will solve exercise 10.5 question number 5. The question number 5 is given that ABCD are the 4 points on a circle. AC and BD intersect at a point E such that BEC 130 degree, BEC 130 degree and ECD 20 degree. Find the angle BAC. Find the angle BC. So according to the question, it is given that a circle have given, okay, and B center is here. No need to plot the center. B, A, D and C. Okay, so ABCD 4 points on the circle AC and BD. AC, that is C. AC, draw AC, and BD intersect at E. That point is E. And it is given also BEC, that is 130 degree, okay, and ECD. So it means you have to draw that line ECD. That angle is 20 degree. That angle is 20 degree, and we have to find the value of BAC. We have to find the value of BAC. That is our question. BAC. So add this two point. Okay, BAC. So what have given that BADC 4 points on the circle, two line AC. It means you can say two chord AC and BD intersect at O. BEC 130 degree. Then BEC is 130 degree, then find the value of other angle BAC, that angle. Okay, you have to find the value of other angle BAC. Students, first of all, what I've given, that is that angle BEC equal to 130 degree. BEC is 130 degree given, and ECD also given, that is 20 degree. ECD is also given 20 degree. Our question is, you have to find the value of BAC, means that angle we have to find. Okay, so it is very clear, the students, angle DEC plus angle BEC equal to, what will be the sum of these two angles? This angle and this angle. It's obviously 180 degree. Obviously 180 degree, because what is the reason behind it? That is linear pair. Okay, linear pair. That's why sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Now DEC, angle DEC, what will be the value of BEC? BEC, that is 130 degree. 130 degree equal to 180 degree. Now angle DEC equal to 180 minus 130, that equal to angle DEC equal to 50 degree. So that angle is 50 degree. Angle DEC is 50 degree. Okay, DE and C 50 degree. Now, so now as it is point E, consider in triangle DEC. Okay, DEC, a triangle. Now we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle DEC plus angle DCE or ECD plus angle EDC or CDE must be 180 degree. What is the reason behind it? The sum of that three angles 180 degree, because we know that, sir, EDC is a triangle. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is sum angle property. Okay, sum angle property. Okay, some angle property. So DEC, we have the value of DEC, that is 50 degree. ECD, that is 20 degree. And CDE, that value we don't know. So our aim is to find that value. So CDE or EDC, CDE, okay. CDE equal to 180 degree. Now 50 plus 20, 70. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus angle CDE equal to 180 degree. So CDE equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Okay. So that angle is 110 degree. Okay. That angle is 110 degree. So now students, just I am rubbing that portion only. Okay, question number 5, that portion. Now that is angle B, point B. Okay, B. ECD, EDC, sorry, or CDE, angle CDE equal to 110 degree. CDE is 110 degree. You can say also that is angle CDB, 110 degree. Same angle, this CDE and CDE just extend up to B. Okay. Now one thing it is clear that angle BAC and angle BDC have they between these two angles one relation is there. BAC and BDC, one relation is there. What is the relation between these two angles? Just think about that. The starting point of that angle B and ending point of that angle C. Again that angle, starting point of this angle, that is D, that is B and C. So the sum of they should be equal. They should be equal. Why they are equal? They are equal because they are in the same segment. Okay, they are in the same segment, BADC. Okay, these two angles are the same segment. So what will be the value of BAC? First of all, BDC equal to, just put down the value of BDC or CDB or BDC, both the same, that is BCD, that's VDC. Okay, so BDC equal to 110 degree. So BAC also 110 degree. So our required question is you have to find the angle BAC. So what is the value of BAC angle? That is 110 degree. Okay, again I am repeating the portion that it is 130 degree given, that these two angles 180 degree. Using linear pair condition you can calculate that is 50 degree. Okay, now then you use EDC triangle. This sum of these three angle is 180 degree. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is 20 degree. 50 plus 20, 70 degree. So automatically that angle 110 degree. That angle is 110 degree. Now as it is 110 degree, that BAC angle and BDC angle, these two angles are in the same segment, and we know that same segment angles have same measure. That's why as BDC is 110 degree, BAC also be 110. So our required question BAC, so BAC is 110 degree. I hope student this sum is clear to you, and if you have further you have any problem, you can ask me in the e-portal. I will try to solve your question. Thank you. Bye.